Okay, hello. I'm just doing a response to a video I did a while back. It was just doing LEDs within Traktor Pro and how to set them up on the Numark Total Controller. I worked this one out. It was a bit complicated to do. Then I found a nice little useful bit of information that made my life so much easier. For this, it was basically this picture I found, and it tells you the corresponding LEDs to the MIDI notes down here at the bottom. You can find the link to this in the description, video description below this, and that will give you all the information so you can go check this out yourself. So, how do we set it up from here? Very, very simple. What we need to do is we need to go into the options, and we can do that simply by clicking on the cog, and that'll bring up this bar, this preference window. We go down to controller manager, where it says devices, we bring the drop down menu and select generic MIDI, and that will any MIDI controller we have, for example any controller like this plugged in, it will read the MIDI from there. So all we're going to do is we're going to set up a play pause button for this this deck A, and we can simply do that by hitting add in, and then we scroll down to transport, and that'll be our first on the list, which is called play pause, like so, and then we hit learn. And now from here we just select any button we want. I'll just hit this, yeah, this one will do. And now it's come up and showed us our MIDI here. So now we unselect learn and we hit. Now this is another problem that you might have. It's just holding the button down. Once you've done that, it plays the track. Once you release the button, it will pause it. And we can overcome that simply by coming down here into this MIDI details section, and where it says interaction mode, we simply bring down the drop down menu and hit toggle. So it will toggle on or toggle off, and play and pause. Very simple. So if we go like this, okay, so how do we get MIDI, the MIDI to show the LEDs on here? That's another very simple thing to do, shall I say. We have an add out button. We can click that, and this is where we select the same preference. So we selected a play pause button. We do that again by hitting transport play pause, and we need to select the button as well. So this is where we go into our pictures that we've just brought up, and this will tell us the MIDI for the LEDs. We had 17 here, so we scroll down to 17, and our LED is C4, and we go back into Traktor, and where we've got the device mapping, in this big drop down menu we select here, we can go to channel 1, we go to notes, and our mapping was C4, so we scroll down to C4 and select that. Here we go, and we want to make sure it's selected to LED on our controller type and output, of course. Make sure we select which device it's assigned to. So we've got deck A, and now we've got MIDI coming out. Hope that's been helpful. Practice and enjoy.